Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing in a few minutes. Please check that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Xiamen. The local time is 46 minutes past the hour of 9 in the morning, and the date today is the 11th of December 2023. Ground temperature is at 24 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. Remain seated until your roll numbers have been called upon for deplaning. Passengers who need assistance, please approach your cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Marvin C. and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
大家来到厦门，现在当地时间是早上9:47，外面温度24摄氏度。飞机正在滑行，为了您的个人的安全，请先不要站起或抬起你家。等飞机完全停住，请你再解开安全带，整理好手提物品，准备上飞机。下机前，请检查手提行李，以免遗漏。从行李架里出示，请注意安全。这次高兴您服务，希望不久再迎接您。请代表飞航公司、机长 Vibrancy 和进来的机组人员，感谢您搭乘班机，祝你旅途愉快。有特别要求的旅客，请就下机，以便能不能正确地交给地勤人员。各位乘客请注意，中国海关 要上机检查，要求各位乘客请先坐下来，先不要站起来。谢谢你的配合。